Life, with its ups and downs, happiness and sorrows, is always a meaningful and challenging journey. Each of us experiences different moments, from simple joys to deep sorrows. However, what truly matters is how we perceive and face life, as this determines our happiness. Let's take a look at the positive aspects of life and find joy in every moment. Life is a journey of discovery. Life is not a fixed destination, but a long journey filled with countless fascinating things waiting to be discovered. Every day, we have the opportunity to learn, experience, and explore new things. From simple tasks like learning to cook a new dish, to grander experiences like traveling to faraway lands, all of these help us grow. It is this sense of discovery that makes life worth living. We never know what will happen next, but that's the magic of life. The surprises and unpredictability of the future bring us excitement and the motivation to keep moving forward. Happiness doesn't lie in what we have, but in how we perceive it. In life, many people think that happiness only comes when we achieve great things, like having a beautiful house, a luxury car, or a successful career. But in reality, happiness doesn't reside in what we own. It lies in how we perceive life and cherish the little things around us. Happiness can come from a quiet morning when we hear birds singing, from a warm hug from a loved one, or from the smile of a friend. When we learn to appreciate and be grateful for the small things, we'll see that happiness is present in our everyday lives. Instead of waiting for big events to feel fulfilled, we can find joy in the simplest moments. Patience and optimism are key. In life, not everything always goes according to plan. There are times when we face difficulties, challenges, and unforeseen obstacles. However, the important thing is to maintain faith and optimism. Patience helps us get through tough times without giving up. When we understand that every difficulty is temporary and that the sun will shine again after the rain, we'll gain the strength to keep going. Optimism not only keeps our spirits up, but also attracts positive things into our lives. Many studies have shown that people who are optimistic and patient tend to achieve more success in life. This is not just because they always see things from a positive perspective, but also because they don't easily give up in the face of adversity. It is their perseverance and optimistic attitude that help them overcome obstacles and achieve their desired goals. Love and connection give life meaning. One of the things that make life more meaningful is love and connection between people. Whether it's love for family, friends, or colleagues, love helps us feel understood and shared. It is a powerful source of motivation that helps us overcome the difficulties and challenges of life. When we have someone to love and care for, we feel that we are not alone on the journey of life. Love not only brings joy, but also helps us grow. It teaches us about compassion, patience, and how to see life from another person's perspective. Moreover, connection with the community and society is also an important part of life. We cannot live without interaction with others. Relationships with friends, colleagues, and even strangers can bring us valuable lessons and broaden our view of the world around us. Life is an opportunity for change and growth. Life is always changing, and it is this change that gives us the opportunity to grow. Nothing in life is permanent, from the weather, environment, to people and our emotions. Everything changes. Instead of fearing change, we can embrace it as an essential part of life and seize the opportunity to grow. Every time we face challenges or failures, we can learn something new. Failure is not the end, but a stepping stone to make us stronger and wiser. Successful people are not those who never fail, but those who know how to get back up after each stumble and continue their journey. Life is a gift. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, is the realization that life is a gift. Every day that we are alive, able to feel the world around us and have the opportunity to love and be loved is a precious gift. No matter how difficult or challenging life may be, we should be grateful for the chance to experience it. Instead of complaining about things not going as planned, we can choose to view life through a positive lens and cherish every moment. When we are grateful for life, we'll feel more content and happier with what we have. Conclusion: life is a beautiful and meaningful journey. Every day, we have the opportunity to learn, explore, and experience wonderful things. Happiness does not lie in great achievements, but in the way we cherish and appreciate the small things in life. Patience, optimism, love, and the ability to adapt to change are the factors that help us live a fulfilled and meaningful life.